Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktails. First, let's gather your essential bar tools. A good cocktail shaker is fundamental for mixing and chilling your ingredients properly. You'll also need a jigger for precise measurements, ensuring your drinks are perfectly balanced every time. Don't forget a bar spoon for stirring and layering, and a reliable strainer to achieve a smooth, clear finish. These tools are your foundation for crafting delicious drinks. Next, let's explore key mixing techniques. Shaking is perfect for cocktails containing citrus, cream, or egg whites, as it thoroughly combines and chills ingredients. For spirit-forward drinks like an old-fashioned, stirring gently over ice achieves the ideal dilution and chill without clouding the drink. Muddling releases fresh flavors from ingredients like mint or fruit, while layering creates stunning visual effects in your glass. The quality of your ingredients significantly impacts your cocktail. Always choose fresh, high-quality spirits and liqueurs as your base. Freshly squeezed citrus juices like lemon or lime provide a vibrant, crisp flavor that bottled juices cannot match. Simple syrup, a mixture of equal parts sugar and water, is essential for balancing sweetness. Finally, a thoughtful garnish adds both visual appeal and aromatic complexity. Now, let's put it all together to craft a classic cocktail. Begin with a reliable recipe and measure every ingredient precisely using your jigger. This ensures a balanced drink. Combine your ingredients using the appropriate technique, whether shaking or stirring, until perfectly chilled. Always taste your creation before serving and adjust if necessary. Finally, present your cocktail beautifully with a suitable garnish to complete the experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.